How to fix Windows 11 taskbar not working. To fix Windows 11 taskbar not working, try 1. Restart your PC. Then, run rake delete hkcu /software/microsoft/windows/ current version /iris service /f and shut down rt0 command as admin. 2. Reconfigure your clock by entering control.exe. Into run box, Win plus R keys. 3. Repair system files via DISM and SFC scans. Run these commands in PowerShell, as admin, dism/online/cleanup image/scan health dism/online/cleanup image/restore health sfc/scan04. Reinstall the Universal Windows Platform, UWP. Run the following command in PowerShell, as admin, get apps package alusers for each apps package disable development mode register $. Install location, \fx manifest.xml5. Restart Windows Explorer service via Task Manager. Then end these processes, shell experience host.exe search indexer.exe search host.exe. Runtime broker.exe 6. Remove recently installed updates via control.exe.